Alright, what is going on, guys? I am back at it again with the Zero Breeze review. This time I finally got the battery, so I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Let's check it out. So right here we got the Mark II smart battery that was supposed to come with the package. It didn't at the time, but now it's here. There was some delays because of the whole COVID-19 situation, so I don't blame them for that. It's not their fault, but yeah, let's see how it looks inside. Alright, so this is my first time opening up the battery. As you guys can see, we've got some styrofoam, some padding stuff, I guess, to keep the battery safe. Let's see it. There it is. There's the $600 battery for you guys. Or I don't know how much it is. It's probably even more. Insane. We've got the booklet. I'm going to read that in a second. And then here's the main event. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty heavy, guys. I want to say probably like what, 5 pounds. Okay, whatever. Here's the cable, and that's it. There's nothing more to it. That's all she wrote. So let's put this back here on there. Let's grab my Mark II instructions, put them to the side. We've got the cable right here. See that? The bag that came with it on the side. Alright, so I was reading the instructions, and right here it says the amount of battery it has. If it's got 5 little lights, it means it's full, and obviously you guys can see the rest. Now, this is how many lights it's got on right now. There's a button right here that you press. Well, that's the button. There's a button I pressed right here, and it tells you. It's 3 lights. It's got a USB. 2 USB adapters. I don't know, Android one. I guess it's a charger. There's the clip. And then, what the heck is this? Oh. And this thing right here. This thing's a little heavy. Where you charge it. It's not super heavy, but I'm gonna tell you, there's some weight to it. You know, you can lift it with one hand, but I wasn't expecting the weight. Let's just say, let's put it that way. So it says 3 lights. It's 60 to 80% full, so it should be fine to just connect it, plug it in, and go. Now, those 3 lights have been on ever since I pressed the button, ever since I pressed this button, but it doesn't say on and off. I just don't understand if I should hold on to it. 1, 2, 3, there we go. So you press it, it turns on. To turn it off, hold 1, 2, 3 seconds, and it turns off. Now, it doesn't say that on the manual, which is really weird. It gets you to, it's like a guessing game. Like, oh, look at that video tutorial. Alright, so I did pause the video for a second, and I did whip out my camera and pressed on here. Now, it does give you the link, but nothing happens. So I'm not sure if it's because I'm one of the first people to own this unit, but nothing happens. So there you go. You can learn from this video. Click it once and it turns back on. Now, I guess can't be too complicated. Let me see. There, you hear a clip. There was a nice snapping sound on there. It's connected. Now let's see if it. Let's turn it on. Obviously, it's not super heavy, but there is some hefty weight. Now you gotta keep in mind this is a portable air conditioning that I don't see anyone in the market doing something like this other than Zero Breeze, which is phenomenal. This is obviously a luxury item, very good item. So let's test it out. I'm gonna turn it on. We've got the 3 little dots, and then I will press the power button. Nothing is happening. Oh. Why did they give me this for? Obviously to connect the battery onto the Zero Breeze. So I'm going to turn it off again. Okay. Obviously tighten it. Not too hard. And this one, open up the little thing at the bottom. Same thing. Connect it. And then tighten it. It's connected. It should work. Let's go ahead and power it on. Actually, let's turn on the battery. I was sweating there for a second, but look at that. It's on. Put this on here, just like that. On blue. Feeling the cold air now. The wind. Feels great, guys. This is what I wanted, and is exactly what I got. Let's take a closer look. All right. The Zero Breeze. With the battery, it is a portable air conditioning unit. I apologize if you hear a lot of wind noise, but it is blowing some cold air. Cold Zero Breeze air. Let's see, let's step a little further back. Oh yeah. I'm happy. See, let's grab it. This is my left hand. Oh, there goes that. But I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining my battery / Zero Breeze unboxing / review, whatever it is. I appreciate it for watching and commenting. Any questions you guys have, let me know. I will try my best to answer them. And subscribe if you want to see more Zero Breeze. See you guys on my next video.